Tyson's Corner is expected to double in size by 2050. And the local partnership there is calling it Tyson's America's Next Great City. So VDOT and Fairfax County have really partnered together to improve transportation in Tyson. And this $60 million project is going to go a long way to providing multimodal connections and helping to transform this city.
Currently, the Beltway operates as almost a barrier between the east side of Tysons and the west side of Tysons. So building additional connections across the Beltway are really important.
This connection is going to help provide more choices to people, not just in cars to cross the Beltway, but also making decisions about using Metro Rail and accessing the McLean Metro station that's right on one end of the project.
It's also bringing new access to the 495 express lanes. If you get off at Jones Branch Drive today, you will not only be able to go to Jones Branch, but also to make a connection right over to Route 123. Same, if you're driving on Route 123, you can use the Jones Branch connector to get over to the 495 express lanes to go either north or southbound. But again, a new east-west connection connecting Jones Branch Drive to Route 123.